may new Clark. So the driver for out day. Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday today and meron training yung kids for the swimming. Sa may New Clark City sila magte-training. Ang call time is 1 p.m. So it's already 10 and mag-aayos kami. Be-braid ko lang yung hair ni Elise para hindi siya mahirapan mag-head cap later.
I have day out tomorrow.
Pag meron silang training na talagang training, what I usually do is pinapakain ko na sila ng heavy meal 3 hours before or minsan 4 hours para kung magugutom man sila in between, yung mga snacks na lang na madali na lang kainin, yung hindi na kailangan mag-rice.
And we have day out when?
And then may tryout sila sa Sunday.
Tomorrow.
Dapat yung tryout nila, it was supposed to be nung Monday, kaya lang
Last week.
may bagyo, 'di ba? Dito sa Pilipinas. And dito kami base sa may Pampanga, kaya apektado kami. So, yan. Braid ko lang yung hair ni Madam.
After the shoot, I'm gonna wear my shoes.
Yan, please ka na. Hindi ko pa naayos yung gamit nila. Agad ako nakatulog kagabi. So, yan. Braid ko lang si Madam.
She's done.
Okay, we're up to New Clark City para sa training ng 2 kids. Say hi.
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 Parang di kayo masaya. Ba't parang di kayo masaya? Ito, the driver for the day. As usual.
Always.
Always. Papagas muna kami. Tapos, diretso na sa New Clark City. Call time is 12. Ang call time nila is 1 p.m.
Malayo ba?
It's 12 crowd na.
Yung baba.
Kung saan ka naglaro ng soccer dati, doon.
Hindi ko na naalala kung malayo o malapit.
Alam ko parang malapit lang eh.
Let's look at my hair. So nice.
Oh, you can. Ito, aquatic center. Ito siguro. Just need the vlog.
Gusto ko muna kumain.
Magti-training ka na. Mamaya na after. Magwat.
Yes, sir! Go! Let's see! Go!
So guys, ito yung coach namin. She's our wonderful coach. Okay, try out day. Good luck.
I'm busy right now, but I'm still gonna play.
We are going to play.
What's the name of the playground? Oh.
Ano yun? Meron ko niya. Message na lang ako pagkakain kayo. Pwede mo. Pakainin kami ng mother-in-law ko here sa Mr. Frosty. Say hi.
Hi.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Medyo hagarda versosa na tayo.
What? Ha?
Hindi ko alam. Nasa kanya, bakit? Remove your hand. Thank you po.
Mommy, let's go to the daddy. Elise,
Guys, ayun yung mga Sharon, no? Sharon!
Mami, may pabalot pa sila, Mami.
Ibalot mo ako sa
Ate na lang, Mama. Ate na lang.
Sharon, say hi! Sharon, mag-hi kayo, Sharon! Hi, Shawi! Magsihab, Chog.
Stop it.